Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to change the server branch on your Satisfactory server to experimental. The first thing you're gonna need to do, of course, is log into your game panel. And once you're there, you're gonna need to head over to your startup tab. Here you need to look out for this field, the branch name field. If you see public in this field selected, that means that your server is currently in the public branch. Since we wanna transfer it over to the experimental, what we're gonna do is click on the drop-down menu here and select experimental. The next thing you need to do is head over to this field right here, the validate server files field. You need to make sure that you have entered either true or 1 to enable it. And what this will do basically is upon restart, your server will validate all files and fetch everything that is missing. So you have installed the experimental branch on your server. Another thing you need to verify is that automatic updates is enabled. If not, just click on the slider right here. Then finally, all you need to do is head over to your console again and then restart the server. And just like that, our server is now up and running. Another thing to note, but totally optional, is that if you have enabled this to validate your server files, it is actually recommended to disable it again once you're done updating your server, as this can significantly increase server startup times. So when it's not needed, it's actually safer to just keep it disabled. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do to change your server from the public branch to the experimental branch. If you have any further questions or require any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.